Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the BluReeze Recharable Sonic Power Toothbrush. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you know for new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Just received my special surprise, and it's the Sonic Power Toothbrush. And it's from BluReeze. So I'm going to do a quick video demo on the product and tell you what features they have. And I put a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one as well. Closure, only received this item for review. Okay, and let's take a look at the product over here. This is the BluReeze Power Rechargeable Toothbrush. There's 4 cleaning modes, 1 travel case, 8 DuPont engineered brush heads, 180 days of battery for the lithium ion, and the model numbers below are put in the description. On the other side of the box, you can see the 30-second interval tells you to brush in a new area after 30 seconds. 2-minute timer, it's an auto timer, IPX7 waterproof, and 4,000 strokes per minute. In the back of the box, you probably notice there's a 3D bristle cutting process, so very unique in a way. 8 brush heads. Wow, that's going to last you a long time. 1 toothbrush head is for 3 months. So more details on the voltage. So let's get started and unbox it and see what's inside. I already took out the shrink wrap already. The first thing we see today, with the box emptied out, is the rechargeable unit itself. And everything is individually wrapped. That's what I noticed about this product. It's very attention to detail. So you can see that. Let's take it out over here. Take a look at the unit over here. There's the button over here that you press. There's 4 different modes. This is really great. And there's a rechargeable part at the bottom. All right, let's see what else you get here. You get this nice travel case, which is really a great perk. You know, if you travel a lot or you need a toothbrush, you need that toothbrush when you're traveling. This is definitely going to come in handy with this travel case. And there you go. What other thing you get? Well, you get all these 8 total toothbrush heads, right? Individually wrapped as well. And also the cable for the USB charger. So you need to plug it into maybe say your phone, wherever that supports the USB. So these individually wrapped. I'm just going to take one of these over here. How about this view? Maybe that looks better. So USB is in the middle, and you get 8 toothbrush heads. So that's going to take one randomly. It's nicely individually wrapped. All right. So then you put it in. So this is the other side, of course. I like to align it. I think that's probably best. And just push like that, you know. And there you go. So then you can turn it on. There's 4 different modes. All right, there's clean for sensitive, whitening, and massage. So those are the 4 modes. And also the battery light will light up once you use it. So I'm going to do a demo next. Okay, one thing I do want to note, once you open the cover on the bottom, you could charge this unit. It does take 6 hours to charge. So keep that in mind. Don't use it until there's no batteries. And that's how you close it. So I'm going to play a little clip over here.
Wow, you see the vibrating? I'm going to put in water. Different speeds. Vibration.
Okay, we're going to do a quick demo of water over here. I think you're going to get a better result visually than I could show on the audio. So first mode we're going to start out is the clean. Okay, so the clean mode, it just cleans your teeth. And this is the normal mode, by the way. I'm not going to go through all the intervals, so I'm going to skip ahead. You can see how much is working right here. You can see the brushes actually getting my mirror really wet as well. You can see that. So next mode we're going to try is called the sensitive mode. So if you have sensitive gums, you're going to try the sensitive mode, like right here. And notice that it's a little bit different. So it's not as strong. So the next mode we're looking at is called the Whiten Mode. The Whiten Mode, you can see the result over here. And I'm going to skip ahead again. And the last mode is called the Massage Mode. So Massage Mode is very nice. I could tell that for sure. So Massage Mode and the sensitive mode are my favorite. The cleaning mode is really strong, so keep that in mind. And if the heads are replaceable. So once again, this is the BluReeze Recharable Toothbrush. So very nice looking compact form. You can bring anywhere with a travel case, and it's a USB rechargeable. So you can use the phone adapter. If you plug your USB cable to it, then you can recharge it. It's about 6 hours to recharge it. Keep that in mind. So what do you get? You get total of 8 toothbrush heads, USB cable, travel case, and also the unit itself over here. So very great deal. Do note there's a manual that comes with it. So if you have questions, there's a manual, and it also comes with a 2-year warranty. That's what the manual also has. Here's the box again. It's an M8 Pro model. That's one I have right here. Recharable Sonic Power Toothbrush. Hope this video helps you out. If you're shopping around for a better toothbrush, check this one out. I'll post a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. Please help me out for thumbs up so that people see this video. Have a comment, please leave it below as well if it helps others. And I see you next time. Bye.